Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Uber app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on settings. So when you just click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. So then you click here on privacy here. When you just click here on privacy, so then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here. So until you will find here ads for over here is users. Just click on it. You're scrolling down here. Sorry, we'll go back here. You click here on ads for rates here. You're scrolling down here, and there you will find here Personalize ads about our partner here products and services. Click in this sign or this color. So like you click here on confirm here, then it's going to disable with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.